All right, today we'll learn how to open the task manager in Windows using keyboard shortcuts. Okay, what we will do is we'll press on the keyboard. Let me open the virtual keyboard for you, but you don't have to open the virtual keyboard for yourself. You can just press Control Shift and Escape ESC on your keyboard. So I'm going to do it on the virtual keyboard so you could do it yourself. Okay, try yourself. So I'll do Control Shift and Escape. Will open the task manager for me, and I could see the apps that are running, what's running in the background. I could actually see a lot of things through task manager, and then you can also stop running apps here, and just right click and then restart or expand. You can do that. You could also stop them. Let's say I want to stop this, end task will stop the task for me. Sometimes you need this because you have a lot of browsers open and you cannot close them. You can just do come to task manager and close them from here. Any application that you need to shut down, you could do it from here. Okay. All right.